Hey, what up, guys? The voice of Mr. Solution. So over the week, I shared I shared a tweet. I made a post on Twitter where I said that I wasn't really confident. I wasn't really buying the idea of October being a bullish month for BTC, contrary to what everyone. And I went on to post this very analysis, this very chart on Twitter, and then I captioned it and said, to the Bula boys, I don't think October will be the month for BTC. Perhaps a rally to 21 cases, but that will be it. And then the bearers step in to take what is theirs. Don't double down to triple your losses. Okay, so let's just look at the BTC chart to see what necessitated this very statement. All right, so I'm using the daily chart for BTC. I'm using the daily chart for BTC. And of course, we are dealing, what I have here is BTC perpetual futures using FTS exchange. Okay, so we have this very channel that BTC has actually been respecting, this very downsloping channel that BTC has been respecting ever since it topped around 68k. That was last year, 2021. Okay, so and all this while BTC has actually been going down. And look at this now. Look at what has been happening here. Every time it makes a little consolidation, it pushes down. This is a bearish flag. It formed this bearish flag, got pushed down, and right now what we are experiencing is another. We also saw another bearish flag that was formed there, and the next thing that happened was should be this breakdown. Okay, we have this breakdown here, and of course from our knowledge of from our knowledge of chart patterns, whenever you spot a bearish flag in any given chart, we are expecting a level of movement, and so far we haven't really seen that level of movement attained. Okay, so we have this here. Okay, this was where the breakdown occurred, and then it dropped from there till this very place where this bear flag started forming. So we're expecting that because this breakout has already occurred there, so we're anticipating that the next move should take it down to somewhere around 12k or thereabout. So we're expecting another drop to 12k. And also look at this white line here. It's actually pointing something. It's pointing to tell us that this very line now, this very white line is actually a support. And then tracing that support to this current place. Now you see that we're expecting BTC to get to $12,412. Okay, but then you need to understand something, that this move doesn't have to just occur like that. It doesn't just have to go like that, just fall and then get to that place. No, we have we will be having a couple of consolidations, up move, up down, and the rest of it. Okay, so in the event that if we look at this thing, now we see that we have this down sloping resistance here. So in the event that BTC breaks above this, we are anticipating somewhere maybe something around this very price range. Probably there's nothing is guaranteed. Okay, there's still a probability of getting somewhere around this, but then that is not really guaranteed. Right now you see we have this very support here. This is a support that has been holding BTC, but as it stands now, it has broken below that. Okay, we can equally have this here. Okay, so we can rightly say that as it stands now, BTC is still leaning at this very support level. Is still in at the support level. Okay, he's still in at this very support level. Okay, so that also goes to lend credence to what I had posted earlier. That was around July. Okay, let me dig up that post. I made a post around July. Okay, here, that was July this year, July 27, 2022, where I said it's pretty much possible we see Bitcoin go as low as 11k, even 6k. Trust me, I'm not bluffing. It's on the chart. This might take maybe a year or more. It's also possible that a global event can precipitate it. COVID did it before. Okay, so we have this very. I don't want us to. Okay, I don't want us to disturb ourselves looking at this, but this is actually one of the things that has been guided. This very chart I made as far back as June has actually been guiding me to look at what a BTC chart says. Now look at another thing too that should make us to know that this October isn't really much of a bullish month for BTC. Let's look at BTC USDT on okay, let's look at it on BTC USD. BTC USD. That's on Bitstamp. Okay, I have a chart on Bitstamp that I've always looked into as a guide, that, but we're looking at the weekly time frame on that's the weekly chart of BTC on Bitstamp. Oh, why is it taking me here? We're not supposed to get here. Okay, so the weekly chart of BTC on Bitstamp. Let's look at it together. Okay, so here we have the weekly chart of BTC on Bitstamp. Look at this. Look at this. Just take a very good look at this. This very yellow line, this one that my mouse is pointing to, is showing us the top of 2017 bull run. Okay, where BTC got to 20k or thereabouts, 19k plus. And so far, when you look at this, you see that BTC has failed to hold that support. Okay, instead it has broken below it. We have this current double bottom here. This is a double, but this is a bottom, this is another double, another bottom, which BTC is expected to respect it and start going up. But so far we are not seeing that big move coming. Okay, we are not seeing that big move coming. So that's to tell us that as it stands now, that BTC has actually broken below this current support of this very support of 19,500, 19,700 roughly. Okay, that BTC has broken below that very support. So as it stands now, the next likely support of BTC is around 13,000. And if this doesn't hold, we could even see BTC get to 8K or even 4K. So these are the reasons why I, to an extent, believe that this October isn't really going to be a bullish move for Bitcoin. In fact, the bull run everybody is anticipating might not even happen this year. It could be from 2023. That's the way I'm looking at it. So right now, all I'm looking for is opportunity to shop. But remember, it doesn't mean that BTC won't have some upward move, some rallies. There will definitely be some relief rallies along the line. But the essence of all these longer time frame analysis is just to give us a higher view of what to expect in the coming months or in the coming weeks. Okay, guys, I hope this has been educative enough. I'll see you in the next episode, Mr. Solution.